In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Google Play Store not working on Android phone. It's an easy tutorial, so if you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very easy to go ahead and do this. And you can do it on literally any Android phone or device that you have, whether it's a phone, tablet, anything like that. But anyways, if you're trying to open up Google Play Store, use it, and it's not working, or it's not opening, or it's crashing, it can be very annoying. So there's an easy way to basically essentially reset everything and reset the settings without signing you out or anything. So what we want to do is go over to our settings application. It's going to look something like this. Go ahead and scroll down now and find apps. It's going to be towards the bottom half of your settings. Once you're here, go ahead and locate Google. So we just want to obviously go to G, and now there's going to be a lot of different Google ones, but we want to focus on two. So firstly, we're going to go on Google Play Store, scroll down, go to storage, which is under usage, and then we're going to see clear data and clear cache as two options. But the only one we want to click on is clear cache. If you clear the data, it might possibly just sign you out, which you don't want to do. So just clear the cache, and then we want to go back to, and then we want to go to Google Play Services, do the exact same thing for Google Play Services. So go to storage, clear cache here, and then try and open up your Play Store again, and then you should be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.